Who's my good boy? You're a good boy, huh? I love you too. I love you too. We are approved for the building. We got that all taken care of. And we also got the electrical in, the rough, what they call it? The rough electrical. And that got approved as well. So we're on our way, guys. Now next, I keep saying it in my previous videos about the concrete. This is going to be coming out this week, which is good. And we got at least, where'd it go? We got a couple of inches. That's what she said, thankfully. So once the concrete is out, then we pour new concrete on this whole basis right here. So I got that all scheduled for this week, which is great. Electrical is all roughed in, and then after the concrete, we're going to let it settle or harden for a couple of weeks, and then we can put spray foam on the walls and do something with the ceiling as well. Not too sure about that, but my contractor is on it. He's keeping me up to date. Got some wire that we can get rid of. It's definitely coming along. Let's go take a look at this box. Also, we don't have any rodents or skunks or possums, raccoons, mice. Haven't seen any of those. So here we go. So professional. We got that all tapped in, fused up, ready to go. Closed, thank you. All done in the ground. That's all going to be gone. So we are on our way. Thank goodness, about time. Guys, got most of the concrete all broken up, ready to be removed. They broke up a lot of the concrete. Wow. I think they used a jackhammer. They had to use a jackhammer. And they're going to come with a skid steer and scoop it all up and throw it in the dumpster. All this concrete gets recycled. So that's what you see, like your driveways with 21 AA concrete. This is what they use. They just get crushed up and put into the sifting machine, and then they sell it. Thick concrete too. Wow, really good concrete. It took them, I think, like 5-10 minutes. No, this would have taken a whole day. Looking good. Also did most of the parking lot area. And that looks like a cinder block in a way. Oh, that's from my old garage. Those are all cinder blocks. Removed some of it. And they put it in the dumpster. Right there. Wow, that looks sweet though. Matrix, how's the inspection going? Good? Good? You like what you see so far? Hey boy? Looking good so far. 2 paws up. Gonna finish his inspection here in a few. What do you think? Bro? And that gets turned into 21 AA concrete. So they're also digging what they call a knee wall, which is a trench that goes through the whole perimeter of the building, and they fill up with concrete. And what that does is prevent any burrowing animals from getting underneath the building or concrete or wall, whatever have you. Things like muskrats, rats, mice. I live out in the country, so you never know. You could get ducks, chickens that try to burrow through here too. But with that extra barrier of concrete, they won't get underneath the building. So they use this bad boy to get all the concrete out. Much better. And we're getting ready for, as I said, my previous videos all the time, concrete. Looks much better. More to come. We're putting gutters on the outside. We're putting gutters before we actually pour the concrete on the outside, so when it rains it doesn't like make pits in the concrete. So the company came and put in a drain. So like an underground kind of drain, but it leads all the way over there. So when it rains, it runs away from the concrete and just saves the concrete a little bit better from getting that pitting. You know, when it rains, the droplets can damage your concrete. I got a mosquito on my hand. Mosquitoes are bad in Michigan right now. But yeah, it looks good. We have concrete start being laid down, which is awesome. So the guys had dug this hole so the truck is able to get inside here. That was actually pretty clever. I didn't even think about that. I thought you just load the tires. But the concrete is coming along. Guys have been working hard at it. That is a good slab of concrete. Beautiful slab of concrete. Hasn't fully dried just yet, or what they call it, cured. I'm actually tempted to write in my name and Matrix's name in the concrete, which actually I might do later. But it's a beautiful slab. And then over here is where the car hoist, over there is where the car hoist is going to be, at garage number 4. So that you can actually see it, it's a different color. I believe they poured about 8 inches of concrete there, which is more than enough, especially when it's reinforced concrete. So they put rebar running across in there. Looking awesome. Tow truck pull it in to come pick up the Mercedes to get fixed. There she goes to go get fixed. Again, it's got to be a Mercedes thing. It's okay, not the end of the world. We are back and the guys have made the form for the other concrete on the outside and it looks really good. So I put a sand as a base, compacted it down. Definitely coming along. And I like this curvature. It's a nice curve to go with the driveway. Yeah, it looks really good. Got a nice pad platform to drive up on when parking vehicles or so on and so forth. Let's party! Matrix enjoying his first walk in the concrete. All the lines have been cut. Great job. He approves. So do I. Yes, getting things done. Next we got insulation. So we're doing the walls, covering that up, and then the ceiling. Here it comes. Move the thing side to side, and then the guy backs up, side to side. Backs up. Side to side. Oh, smart. We'll put these black things down so it doesn't hit, the concrete doesn't, when it swells, it doesn't damage the building itself or wood. Who's that? Oh, you don't like that, hey, Baba? Yo, who's that? Who's that? Hey? Oh, I don't know who that is. It looks scary, huh? Hey? Bubs? Why are you being so scared? Don't be scared. You big boy, come, you go take a look, see who it is? You go see who it is? Come, let's go take a look. Let's go see who it is. Oh, it's gonna bite you. It's gonna get you. What are you so worried about, Baba? Huh? Trash bags. He's worried about trash bags. So it's been a couple of months and the concrete has hardened. And also we got garage doors in. And normal service doors. Windows, gutters. Matrix is happy. We also got lights, we got electrical put in, insulation, so we're gonna go take a look inside real quick. Let's go take a look inside. Hey! A little dark right now, there's no electricity in here, but we got all the wires already ran. All the concrete is in, we got the hoist up, which is great. So we got heaters, which I think we're using this torpedo heater at the moment, which uses diesel, which is, hey, this thing warms up in like 10 minutes. This whole area warms up to 60 degrees in like 10 minutes. But we are definitely getting there. So the contractors have put in the same kind of stuff as the roof. Sorry if there's an echo. Same stuff as the roof, but on the outside it's a thinner material. We got ceiling with blown insulation. There's insulation on the walls. Electricity ran, which is going to be done this week. Guys, this is a big space. I'm loving it. So we've got the hoist where we're going to be working on vehicles, repairing vehicles. And we've got the wire for it. And this is all inspected and all that kind of good stuff. Garage doors are in. Looking really good. Matrix, what are you doing, boy? What are you doing, big boy? This is all scrap metal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a video once all the lighting is all done, all the plugs. We got heaters, we got fans, we got, oh gosh, a few other things to do. But it's definitely getting there. The reason why I went with the roofing kind of interior as well is if it gets dirty, I can just go and power wash it. It's quick, simple. I don't have to worry about drywall getting damaged. But I'm sectioning it off in 3 sections. So I'm putting a big top running this way. So this section is going to be blocked off. And this is going to be the work area, fixing damaged vehicles. And then I'm putting a big top running across this way. So I've got the hoist. I'm also going to get like another, it's not a 2-car hoist. It's like a jack, a lift kind of thing where I can just drive a vehicle and lift it up off the wheels. And that's going to be for here. And you got a big top running right across over here. Also use the ceiling, roofing material for the ceiling, as once again I can just go and power wash it. And lights, I'm doing all LED lights, so it's going to be very cost efficient. And then here is where you're going to be parking the vehicles. So they're going to be sectioned off in 3 areas. So this is the garage, this is the workspace, and that's going to be like a mud room. Living in Michigan, get a lot of snow and dirt, so on and so forth. So if it snows, I can just pull the vehicle in there. It's going to have a heater in there, and then it's going to melt off and I don't have to go and worry about the floor getting dirty as much as it is right now. Matrix, what you doing, big boy? But yeah, we got mainly everything we need. We got the lights, we got the heaters, we got the fans, we got the connectors, we got the switches, you name it, we got it. So in the final stages. What you doing, boy? What you doing? Ah, we got lights. A few more to get in, but they're definitely coming along. Got these ones on Amazon. Two of them, I think they're like $30, so ain't too bad. Oh, sorry. Also an industrial fan. We've got a fan and lights. We got the lights. So we got all the lighting in. Oh, the fan's moving too. That's great. Switch it off. Matrix is making. What you doing, boy? What you doing? But yeah, it's mainly done, guys. Mainly done. Now I just gotta get stuff in, which is not gonna happen anytime soon. Oh, gotta get the rest of the stuff in and get it all situated. He's ready to go outside because we got a lot of snow. We definitely got some snow. 1, 2, 3, up! Go get the ball. You like snow, hey, Bubs? Oh, yes you do. But guys, that's going to be it for this episode. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.